Hey, how are you doing? So what am I going to talk about today? I'm going to talk about purpose and how purpose protects your brain. And if it protects your brain, it's kind of protecting your life as well, right? All of this is evidence-based, all of it. If you want to know where the research comes from, give me a call, give me a shout, I'll let you know. So many people think that purpose is some big life goal. It isn't. Science shows that having a clear sense of purpose lowers your risk of cognitive decline by nearly 30%. That's massive, it's huge. And the best part, it starts small. So today, I'm going to show you how. Let's think about small, meaningful acts. Purpose grows in everyday choices. At the weekend, last weekend, I helped my grandson with some questions he had about the world for 20 minutes. They weren't complicated questions, they made me think of it. Simple, right? But research shows small meaningful acts like this strengthen your brain and your mental health. Try it today. Pick one small act that matters to you or that matters to someone else. It could be a text, a call, a meal. And notice the energy shift. It's quite profound. So let's talk about purpose in the body. Purpose isn't just in your head, it lives in your body. Your breath, your movements, your attention. All of them anchor purpose and help to reduce stress. So this morning, as I do every morning, I took 5 or 6 slow breaths, felt the day ahead, and asked, what small action will make me useful today? And then I looked at the sunrise. Simple actions like this protect your brain and strengthen resilience. And small acts have a big impact. As I said, research proves daily meaningful acts like helping, creating, connecting all support mental and physical health. So yesterday, this was quite simple really, I took on a really small task, it seemed small to me at least, a small task to help a friend. Tiny, but science confirms that it matters. Small acts compound. So pick one today and notice the effect on your energy, your focus and your mood. I talk about the my orange garden method quite a lot, so let's talk about your garden of purpose. Think of purpose like a seed in your orange garden. It grows when you water it consistently. So, yesterday evening I played guitar for 10 minutes. I'm not very good, but I played. That small, consistent act strengthens purpose and well-being. And research does show that regular engagement in meaningful activities is linked to better brain health. So what's your purpose seed? Write it down. Take one small step toward it today. And you don't have to be amazing at it, as I'm not with the guitar. And purpose builds resilience. Life throws challenges at us, we all know that. And purpose is what keeps us standing. Studies show that it reduces stress, depression, and even stroke risk. So a few days ago, some point last week, a colleague was stuck. I offered a quick hand. 5 minutes later, both of us felt clearer, lighter, and all round better. Because small acts like this protect your mental and your physical health. So what's one small thing you can do today that matters? Then act on it. We often think about achievement, but what about purpose beyond achievement? Purpose is not about titles or awards, it's the moments that make you feel alive. Yesterday evening I shared a laugh with a friend. It was simple, it was pretty quick, but yet it was meaningful. And science confirms that these interactions strengthen brain health and emotional resilience. So try and notice a moment today when you feel alive or helpful and acknowledge it. All of this stuff takes daily practice. because purpose grows with daily care. And research again shows regular engagement in meaningful activities reduces cognitive decline, it reduces stress and depression. So one of the things I do is I journal 3 things I'm grateful for. I usually do it in the morning, but sometimes in the evening. Just 10 minutes. And that small practice anchors my day. It builds focus and strengthens resilience. So try 10 minutes, that's all. A 10-minute purpose pause. Do it every day. Reflect, act, connect. Observe how your energy and your focus shift. Purpose is simple, small, and powerful. It protects your brain, it strengthens resilience, and it improves your well-being. Start today. Make a call, bake a cake, play that song on your guitar. Because small actions today create lasting impact tomorrow. Have a think about it. If you've got any thoughts or any comments on this, don't hesitate. Leave a message and I will always respond. Have a wonderful day. Take care.